sisi sa kanyang kasalanan. Kapag tayo'y nagmamahal, marunong tayong magpatawad, marunong tayong ng iyong anak. Kaya tiniaalay namin sa iyo ang tinapay na nagbibigay buhay at ang kalis na nagkakaloob ng kaligtasan. Kami
of these candidates, sir.
By the authority vested in me as the representative of Honorable Edgardo Angara, Secretary of the Department of Education, through Rachel Arellana, PhD, Section 5, Schools Division Superintendent Office of the Schools Division of Isabela, and having been presented and duly certified by your school head, Sir Darwin Oriane, Principal 2, that you have completed the basic requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the K-12 Basic Education Program. I now confirm you secondary graduates and junior high school completers of San Agustin National High School for school year 2024-2025. Congratulations. Pakilagay yung mga supply. Yan. Okay. So congratulations again, dear graduates and completers. Pwede na po tayong maupo.
Aglusulus Alisa Faith Marzan.